I am an MB-based medical doctor, and while we were studying, we were taught that nerves are such a tissue which never regenerate. But latest research shows that there are compounds that stimulate nerve growth and prevent nerve degeneration. What are these compounds? Let me share with you. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood. Today I'll be talking to you about lion's mane mushroom. Where to get it, how to use it and who should use it. So first of all, lion's mane mushroom is scientifically called Hericium erinaceus. But it is usually called lion's mane because it resembles the head of a lion with long mane. Because it has long white hair-like projections on it. And these mushrooms are scientifically proven to stimulate something called BDNF. And nerve growth factor NGF. BDNF or brain derived neurotropic factor are basically things which promote nerve growth. And I have shared with you many other things and foods that promote BDNF. Let me know in the comment section below, do you know any other things or foods that promote BDNF or brain derived nerve growth factor? If you know, let me know in the comments, and if you don't know, you have to subscribe to our channel because this is the type of information that we share on our channel. Anyway, so since lion's mane stimulates BDNF and nerve growth factor, it is wonderful for people with any neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson's, like Alzheimer's, like dementia, like multiple sclerosis. All these are brain degenerative diseases. And it is good to know that you are eating something protective against these diseases. Not only the people who have these diseases should eat them, their children, like offspring, should also be having these because the incidence of all these diseases increases in the kids. So it is better to have something neuroprotective if you are genetically predisposed. And it was seen in a research. Not only does it manage the degenerative diseases, if your nerve get damaged due to any accident, like for example, they cut off the peroneal nerve of a rat. Peroneal nerve is the leg nerve. They cut it off. And when they gave the rat lion's mane mushroom, the nerve regenerated. This is a wonderful discovery for people whose nerves got crushed in accidents or any other way. Anyway, lion's mane mushroom is not only good for nerve development, it is also good for metabolic diseases because it is rich in antioxidants. So if you have some metabolic disease like diabetes, like hypertension, this is a wonderful thing for you because it controls the glycemic index of the food. Thirdly, even if you're not suffering from any degenerative diseases, but you're doing a job which demands a lot of brain effort, like for example, you are a student, or you are a creator, or you have to bring up new ideas, you have to take this mushroom because it improves the mood as well as the cognition. So people with depression, anxiety, and all these mood disorders will also benefit from this mushroom. So you have seen how wonderful this mushroom is. Let me tell you where you can get it and how to use it. I'll share with you 3 easy simple recipes that you can make any time of the day within 5 to 15 minutes, and you can have them as your breakfast and you can have them as your evening snack.
And although I have lion's mane mushroom in the form of capsules in my clinic and I regularly give them to my patients of brain and nerve diseases, but I would like you to have fresh lion's mane mushroom because obviously it has more benefits just as I told you. So I got these fresh lion's mane mushrooms that I'll be using in my recipes from Superlicious, and I'm very glad to inform you that they are offering 20% discount to anyone who orders from their website with my discount code Dr. Asma 20. So hurry up and view the details in the description box below because this is a chance that you should not miss. They have a wide variety of exotic fresh health mushrooms which are thoroughly cleaned and packed in boxes with expiration dates on them. And when you get these mushrooms, you should not wash them, just wipe them with a wet cloth. Anyway, as you can see, this is my fresh lion's mane mushroom, but it lacks mane, isn't it? And I called them and asked them why does it lack mane, and they told me they pick out their mushrooms before the mane develops because this prolongs its shelf life. Because once the mane develops, then you have only 1 or 2 days to eat them before they go bad. Anyway, I am cutting up slices of my lion's mane mushroom in the form of steaks because I want to make a steak out of it. And believe me, it tastes just like chicken. And believe me, this may seem like a promotional video, but it is not. I just want you to eat healthy food, that's all. I am not being paid to make this video. Anyway, I have cut up all the slices of my steak and now we will make our first recipe, that is lion's mane steak. And it is very easy to make steak, it just takes 15 minutes. First of all, as we have cut up the slices, now we will prepare the steak sauce. We will take some liquid aminos, you can take soya sauce also. I avoid soya sauce because it is usually GMO. Now add some garlic paste, some salt, some pepper, mix it up and leave it aside. Basically there is no recipe, you just have to add as much as you like. So once your sauce is done, now we'll prepare the steak. For steak preparation, I'm taking a cast iron pan where you can get cast iron pans. I'll share the link in the description box below. Do view it. Anyway, I poured some extra virgin coconut oil in my cast iron pan and put 2 slices of my lion's mane steak. After 5 minutes, once they were done, like from one side, I poured half of the sauce on it and I turned it over. And after 5 minutes of cooking from this side, I poured the rest of the sauce on it and cooked it further. And for the last 5 minutes of cooking, I covered it with the lid, and you can see how beautiful golden brown color it got. It looks like a real steak and tastes like a real steak. Once you take it out and you give it to someone, don't tell them it is a mushroom steak. And let me know in the comment section below, did anyone guess it is a mushroom steak? Let me show you a cross section of this steak. Can you see the inside? It looks just like meat, and when you put it in your mouth, it tastes just like meat. Anyway, I enjoyed my mushroom steak with some mango chutney. The recipe of mango chutney you'll also find on our channel. Guys, you have to subscribe to our channel. It is so full of healthy recipes, you won't believe. Here, let me show you a close-up of the steak. Can you see? It looks exactly like meat. I believe it is because of the liquid aminos. What do you say? Anyway, our next dish will be lion's mane nuggets. And these nuggets will be prepared quicker than the chicken nuggets. So what we have to take some gram flour, add to it some almond flour, and then add some onion powder for the flavor. Mix together the dry ingredients and then we will add the wet ingredients. First of all, I add some garlic paste and then I will add my favorite liquid aminos. Again, you can use soya sauce if you like, but soya sauce is not actually good for you. And finally, add some water till it has a liquidy consistency. It should not be too thick, it should not be too thin. Here, let me show you the consistency that I made. You can see it is like a thick porridge. Anyway, to fry our nuggets, we'll first slice up our lion's mane mushroom, this time in the form of bite-sized nuggets. And once we're done cutting, what we'll do is dip them in the batter and then fry them in hot oil. This oil that I'm using is extra virgin mustard oil, and believe me, it takes only 5 minutes to fry these mushroom nuggets, because chicken nuggets take longer, isn't it? Anyway, I took out these when they were golden brown. You can see the color, and then I dished it out in this dish and I'm enjoying it with my homemade ketchup, which is sugar free, and the recipe of which you will find on our channel. So again, subscribe to our channel if you want to see the recipe. And let me know in the comment section below, did you find any other channel whose recipes are not only tasty but they're also healthy and they're sort of a medicine for your problems? Anyway, our third recipe is gonna be lion's mane barbecue skewers, and I will try my best so that you can make barbecue at home without the use of grill. So I am using a pan. First of all, we have to cut the mushrooms as well as the vegetables in cube cut so as to make skewers out of it. You can leave out the vegetables if you don't like vegetables, but I'll make my skewers with some vegetables. For that, I first cut up my mushrooms in the form of cubes, and then I cut up my vegetables in the form of cubes, and then I have these skewers. You can find them easily on any grocery shop, and I'm basically threading all my mushrooms and vegetables in my skewers. And as you can see, I've made a lot of skewers and I'll fry them in this pan. You can use grill if you have one. In the same way, by adding some oil in your grill pan, but I'm trying to keep it minimalistic, so I'm adding all my skewers in this pan. Just make sure your pan is big enough for the skewers to fit in. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, your one side will be red, and then you can pour the spices of your choice. Again, I'm adding some liquid aminos, some salt, some pepper. You can add whatever you like, and you can see when the color becomes red, it is time to take them out. And just like that, without using any coal or grills or grilling skills, you can make these mushroom barbecue skewers, which are not only tasty but they're super healthy and very good for your nerves. So let me know in the comment section below which of these 3 recipes did you try. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.